Are you going to get in your rocking chair, Zoe? You want to get in your rocking chair and rock? Yeah. Yeah. Can you sit in your chair? Can you sit in it? Very good. Very good. You're going to pull that other foot out so you can rock in your chair, huh? Are you going to rock in your chair? Can you rock in your chair? Can you rock in your chair? Hi, sweetie. Can you rock in your chair? Can you rock in your chair? Your chair from Grandma and Grandpa, Grandma and Grandpa Spear? Yeah, you like it because you can get in and out of it, and it's just your size. What are you pointing at? Okay, where are you going, sweetie? Okay. Bye-bye.